Hello, hi students. I am your Badachi sir. In this video, I am going to teach you all the second preposition, that is on. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, you all know that on means two things. On ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ see here. On is used to indicate place. Place means ಸ್ಥಾನ. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸ್ಥಾನ. ಸರ್, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಯಾವುದು? ಸ್ಥಳ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ಈಸ್, ಸರ್, ವಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್. ಆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಟೈಮ್. ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮಯ. ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನು? ಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಸ್. Today I am going to discuss the second part. How on is used to indicate time. Time means samaya or kala. Okay? Point number 1. You see here. On is used before day. Day means dina. Dina. What are the days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the days. Before the names of days, we use on. For example, I have a friend by name Raju. Raju will meet me. Raju will meet me when? On Sunday. Yes. Raju will meet me on Sunday. Here, Sunday is the name of the day. Before the days, we have to use on. Clear? Okay. Next one. On is used before day plus part of the day. First day bantu, then part of the day. What is the part of the day? You see here. Part of the day. ಒಂದು ದಿನದ ಭಾಗ. What are the parts of the days? Morning, afternoon, evening. Got it? These are the parts of the day. On Sunday morning. Understand? For example, Rani. Rani goes to Mumbai. Rani goes to Mumbai when? On Monday morning. On Monday morning. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ರಾಣಿ ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. Got it? Yes. Then third use, very important use. Sir, on is used before special days or single days. For example, see here. On is used before special days. Before special days. Special days will be single days. Single means one. Single day. Got it? For example, your birthday, Christmas day, Diwali day. Understand? Special days. For example, you say Vinod. Vinod will present a doll. Vinod will present a doll on my birthday. On my birthday. What does it mean? Vinod will present a doll on my birthday. ನನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನ ವಿನೋದನು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೊಂಬೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುವನು. Got it? Yes. Then fourth one. On is used before date. Date means dinanka. On is used before date. Okay? Dinanka or tarik we say. Got it? For example, Geeta, my student, was born on. Geeta was born on January 1st or 1st January. 1st Jan 1998. See here. 1st Jan 1998 is a date. Before date, we should use on. Hope it's clear. Okay. Then you know that sometimes we use on before time. Direct the word time will come. How? On time. On time. On time means right time. On time means scheduled time. Got it? Yes. For example, my students will come to my class on time, at right time, on scheduled time. Clear? Yes. My students come to class on time. Clear? Yes. On time means right time. Hope it's clear. Dear students, if this video has helped you in understanding how on is used to indicate time, please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. Then I'll meet you all with one more video. Till then, bye.